Hey best friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Sparkle and I want to say first, Happy New Year. I know things were different in 2020, but I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday, and 2021, hopefully it's a better year. But anyway, I want to do a review on my favorite laundry detergents, especially if you have sensitive skin. Myself, my skin is very sensitive and I have eczema. So if you're prone to different types of ingredients that can irritate your skin, I have some products that I'm going to review for you guys. So stay tuned. So first, I want to start off with laundry detergent. So, went shopping. So this is a new one that I bought from BJ's, but this is the all free and clear. This one does not have any perfumes or dyes. So this is one of the products that I do love. I also use Tide, or sometimes I use BJ's generic brand, Berkeley and Jensen. So whatever coupon that I have, then that's the brand that I'll get. But as long as it's free of dyes and perfumes and it's gentle on skin, then I'll pick that up. So this is one of my favorites. I generally shop at BJ's, so I always get this big, heavy, ginormous laundry detergent. So yeah, this is one of my faves. And it doesn't have any, smells or anything like that. And it says it's #1 brand recommended by dermatologists, allergists, and pediatricians for sensitive skin. So I've been using this for a while, and my skin is not, doesn't get irritated at all. So next we have fabric softener. This is by Downy. This is the Ultra Downy Free and Gentle. It's free of dyes and perfumes, dermatologist tested, and it's accepted by the National Eczema Association as well as the National Psoriasis Foundation. So I've been using this also for a while, and it doesn't have any smells. And this is also a new one too. My hands are slippery, but you can also get this at Target. So this is, it also, the 7 benefits. It protects colors. I said this already, free of dyes. Softens, anti-static, anti-frizz, fight stretch, and wrinkle reduction. So you can get this definitely at Target, and I think they have this at BJ's as well. This is my other favorite, also by Downy. This is the Ultra Downy Nature Blends. This is a plant-based fabric conditioner. This also has a touch of coconut oil. It's also free of dyes and it's gentle on skin. This is the honey lavender scent. So I generally use this on my bed sheets, my comforter, quilts, my throws. So, I want that extra oomph of a fresh scent. So yeah, this is what I generally use on those things, and it smells so good. Oh, it smells amazing. So if you want a product that is less harsh, you can definitely pick this up. Like I said again, it's plant-based, and let me just read off the Yes, free of dyes, gentle on skin, and is made with 70% plant-based ingredients. So if you're environmentally conscientious, you can definitely pick one of these up. So this is definitely one of my favorites. Next, we have the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. So, you know, nowadays you gotta disinfect everything, so as well. And I also have a baby, so, you know, I'm definitely disinfecting everything. So I put this, only a capful, in the laundry load. So this is, the Sport Odor Eliminator line, and it kills 99.9% of bacteria. So you just put a capful in the wash and you're good to go. So it has zero bleach. It's suitable for use on whites and colors. So you can use this on your colored clothes, and it works on in cold water. So definitely you want to pick this up. And it also indicates that it's good for baby clothes. So so far, my son hasn't had any reaction to this. So and it's good for undergarments and delicates as well. So you can generally use this on most of your laundry. Oh, and as far as bleach, I had ran out. I need to order more, but I usually get the 7th generation chlorine free bleach. So that one, like I said, doesn't have any chlorine in it, which is better environmentally and better for your skin and overall health wise. So I'll be putting a picture of it right here. So I get this from Vitacost or even Whole Foods. So those are the stores that I found that particular brand so far. It may be in Target. I'm not sure, but definitely Vitacost and Whole Foods, you can get that 7th generation chlorine-free bleach. So that bleach is definitely less harsh on your skin compared to, you know, other regular brands. And then lastly, I have the Love and Home Plant Rewear Dry Wash Spray. So you know how, you know, you're in your house, you know, you cooking fried chicken, and then, you know, you're about to go on a date with your boo, and then you come out your house and you smelling like a bucket of fried chicken. That's not cute. So you definitely want to pick one of these up. You can get this from Target. I actually ordered this from Amazon. They had like a 3-pack. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I think it was like $20 for a 3-pack. Can't remember, but you can definitely pick this up at Amazon or Target. They have it. So this is the Rose Petal and Murumuru Rose and Repeat. So it's fragrant, creaseless clothes, and small acts of love for the planet. So this definitely is something that you want to pick up. It smells like roses, so it smells really good. They also have, I think they have lavender as well, but let me see if you can see it. So this is what it looks like. I think the light, you can't really see it, but you definitely want to pick one of these up, or you may want to, if you have a large bag, you want to, you know, pop that in, put this in your purse too. And it says it's dermatologist tested. It's vegan, and is an anti-odor technology. So this is absolutely one of my favorites. So there you have it. Those are my favorite laundry products, especially if you have sensitive skin. You definitely want to try picking up one of those products. Generally, you can probably buy all those products at Target. You know, that's my store. But But anyway, just let me know if you have any favorite laundry products, so you can put that right in the comment. So, and I think that's it for this video. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we